This is our lot, and this is our friend who's gonna clear out the lot for us. And I don't remember the name of his company, but he does good work. I've seen his work before, and he works, I think, by himself, and doesn't charge as much as another company that would have a bunch of guys working and a bunch of machinery. But he's got two pieces of equipment. He's got this one and a skid steer. But this is our property. It goes way, way down there, and then all the way down to, I guess you can't really see it. We'd have to walk it. So this is exciting. This is the property that we are going to be living at, hopefully soon. And this is, he digs on either side, then he just takes the tree and pushes it down. There that one goes. Then he digs out the, it's like the stump. This is our driveway. From that piece of flagging to that one over there. This would be something be interesting to do. Buy one of these machines and go clear some lots for people. Kind of fun. All right, that's it for now. All right, here he goes digging up another one. It's fairly big. Digs on either side of the tree. Get to the roots and then just pushes it forward. Side. Some of those roots are pretty strong, lifting up that machine. Time to push the tree over, get a certain height, and there she goes. That's it. Got a lot of trees on this property. Alright, he digs all the roots out, gets a chainsaw, cuts off the roots, the stump, and takes the stump and brings it up over here. And then at some point, next year or toward the end of this year I should say, we're going to burn all that down, all that stuff. I don't think he's going to leave it there, probably bring it in to the woods some, I would hope.